Migration from LEND token to AAVE token AAVE is a lending and borrowing protocol that has been around since 2017. The next stage of their evolution is underway, as they move toward greater decentralization and community governance. With more than $1.5 billion under management, it is one of the more trusted protocols in the DeFi space.
AAVE written a detailed 33-page economics document which goes into far greater detail on the rationale for the changeover and the greater role that the community will play.
We'll just look at some of the key features briefly. One big change is the supply is being reduced by a factor of 100. The LEND to AAVE exchange rate is 100:1. In the example below, LEND converts to 28.4 AAVE. This is basically a reverse stock split, lowering the total number of tokens by a factor of 100. This is all access to the migration portal. It is a two-transaction process. First you approve and then you migrate. Of staking module in addition to access to community governance, another reason you'll want to migrate your tokens is because it grants you access to the staking module. The staking is detailed in the Avenomics paper, but briefly, the safety module is a staking mechanism of AAVE tokens to act as an insurance against shortfall events. While these shortfall events haven't been clearly defined, it likely relates to abrupt drops in collateral asset valuations. That means there is risk in participating in the staking of AAVE tokens. Boo. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.